Alright, so in this episode, I would like to show you how to use tab stacks. This feature allows you to group a bunch of tabs together to keep things tidy and organized. Let's have a look. Okay, so here I've got a few tabs open, and I'd like to clean up my tab bar a bit. I've got some pages here that I'd like to keep together, so I'm just going to go ahead and stack these tabs on top of each other by holding left click and dragging that tab on top of another. So now I've got a 2-level tab stack that I can come back to when I like to look at things in this sort of category. I will also name this stack design to make things easier. And next to our stack, there's a bunch of pages for an upcoming trip of mine. And it will be nice to have those pages in one place as well. So I'm just gonna go and put these together like I did with the design stack, and I'll call this one Iceland trip. Selecting a lot of tabs is also possible by holding Shift. That will choose all the tabs next to each other. And then you can right click on them and stack those 4 selected tabs at once. Now this is what a tab stack looks like when your tab bar is positioned on the left side. Here I have another stack that I'll call Work. This is a stack that I think I'll be checking out a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on it and pin these tabs together at the top of the tab bar. Alright, and this next one is great. If you would like to open up a bunch of tabs that are related to the ones you're already in as a stack, there's a trick we can enable from within the settings. So if you click on that cogwheel and you go to tabs, and on new tab position, you can enable as a tab stack with related tab. And lastly, if you hit the cogwheel at the bottom left and go to tabs, you can customize the way you use tabs a lot more than what I just did. For example, here you can position your tab bar and you can try out various settings for your tab stacks further down. So there is a lot to check out here if you really want to customize how you use the browser. So specifically in tab stacking, you have the compact look, you have the accordion, which looks like this. And of course, you have the 2-level, which is the one we looked at today.